decorated wood corner or a new vendor that supplies office furniture. Here is the product of the large desk that you like.
May I know the cost?
They cost 140 pesos each, but they are discounted to 100 pesos if we order minimum of 10 desks. We can sell them for 220 pesos.
Alright, I will now create the product in our catalog.
Thank you, I will leave now.
Adrenaline, I plan to purchase large desk. What are your monthly sales estimates?
Between 9 and 10.
Alright, I will purchase 10 desks to start with.
Hello, I'm the driver. I will be at your warehouse 5 minutes. Can you open the loading dock?
Okay, go to the dock sheet. I will validate the receipt.
Hi, we received a bill from the vendor. I will put it on your desk. Can you create a check and validate it? No need to pay it right now. The due date is in 2 months.
Hi, I'm James from JMR Interior. I have seen a great quality wooden desk in your catalog. Can you send the code for 3 desks to jamesblue@james.odu.com?
Okay, you will get it by email right away.
I'm in the meeting this morning. Can you process and validate delivery orders that are ready to be shipped today? Make sure that the one from JMR Interior is shipped.
Can you validate which sale order we needed to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end.
Okay, I'm on it. Oh, there's payment notification. Let's register the payment in the invoice. Can you tell me about the net profit of this year? I need it for the board meeting tomorrow.
Okay, let me check the profit and Lucifer.
Rochelle, I'd like to sell products in the showroom. Can you give me a list of the accessories that we can easily sell on the site? Okay, great. I will import this file directly to the system.
I love this LED lamp. I will buy 3 right now.
Alright, copy and done. On today's special offer, when you buy 2 identical items, you will get 20% discount on the bill.
Great! I will pay using bank transfer.
I got a question for you. Come over, please.
We are closing the shop. I will close my POS session and will be there in a minute.
Okay, take care. How do you control the cash?
There's functionality in all the transactions. I will configure the option, but then I'll send some cash to set the opening balance when I open a new section. Do you have some?
Sure, I can give you 5 and 50.
Hi, I will take the white one. It is possible to get an invoice, please.
Sure, can I have your name, address, and phone number, please?
Alright, my name is
Nadine Bernardo. My address is 132 Montana Street. My number is 09123456
I will pay right away. Here's the $200.
Go.
Hi, I called yesterday and bought the at last. I don't need this one. Can I return it?
Sure, no problem.
Go.
Can you tell me which product are the best sellers?
Okay, I'll check the orders report. I will create a project officer.
Hi. Google asked us to design their new office in New York.
Okay, send an email to design at yourdomainname.audio.com with subject Google to create a task.
Edra, we should have a new task for the Google online with the project office is in. Can you prioritize it?
Okay, I will start the task for priority. I will be scheduling a meet with the customer next week. On the meeting as done, I will work with the sign right away. We go.
I think it's a mistake to offer our design office services for free. If we sell it to the customer, we understand the value of our store.
You're right. We can sell this service at $50 per hour. I'll create the product office design service that you can use in your quotations, and I'll configure it to generate tasks for every sales order.
I just confirmed the first quotation for the Jackson Group. We sold an office design service estimated at 20 hours.
Awesome. Check that the task has been created automatically for all.
Edra, don't forget to record your timesheets on tasks as we charge customer based on our spend.
Hold on. I'm in the phone with the Jackson. I just started to work on the design of the Jackson.
Thanks, use timesheet app, that's easy. Can you check if we have sales product to invoice? I'd like to invoice everything before the end of the month.
Okay, I generated a drop invoice and you can review that.
Alright, thank you. Hi, we just finished the plant to manufacture the new table. Can you review them?
Looks good. I will create 4 products in the system as well as the bill of materials. Hi, can you give me a quotation for 100 tabletops for 100 table legs?
Sure, place it.
Sounds good. I'll send you a purchase order by email.
Hello. We just received the product from Only Woods Incorporation. There are 400 table legs and 40 for labeled 80 days tables tops. Should I validate the receipt?
Yes, confirm the reception with a back order for remaining 20 products. We got the materials we need to start producing this. Can you manufacture 3 tables for the showroom?
I'm on it. I plan to organize the manufacturing line by creating 2 work centers, assembly station, and painting room. Can you put on the table instruction on each station?
Sounds like a good idea. I'll create the routing stable production with 2 operations.
Thanks. I created this document to help our workers. Can you upload this worksheet?
Yes. Our routing is set up. We can create manufacturing order for the table and plant orders when plant separation becomes available on the table of each workstation.
And test the work center's control panels.
Our routing is set up. We can create manufacturing order for the table and plant orders when plant separation becomes available on the table of each workstation.
And test the work center's control panels. Hi. We've got 5 customer complaining about the tables. Look like the table top separate from the legs after a few months.
It's probably related. I will create a quality control to assemble operation to measure the torque. We will ensure that the measure stays between 11 and 15 mm.
Okay, thank you.
Edra, I added a control point on assembly operation.
That's good. We have created a new table. We will have the opportunity to test it through the work center control panels.
FYI, the torque settings measure should be between 11 and 15.
Hi, the post fiscal year, I need to know the cost if the table being manufactured, including the timing materials.
I'll check the cost structure on the bill of materials for theoretical cost if you want to update it.